So I just pulled up on this. This has got to be pretty a bonehead moment. I just put up on it, I didn't see it, but I'm questioning how the heck do you run into a big semi truck? Now it's not the truck's fault. I've been on this probably for seven years now, and it's the first time I ever seen somebody run into a truck or a truck hit somebody. But they ran into the truck. The truck didn't hit them, they ran into it. And I know how, speeding through this loading dock fast, which they tend to do. But they not, this black car, they don't work on this property. Semi trucks deliver here. These are warehouses, so they always delivering here. And again, it's a fence there. You can clearly see in all angles that ain't no view blocking this truck, like out of sight, like you can't see it. So how did they run into it? They must not have been paying attention to the truck backing in or pulling out. And from the looks of it, it looked like he could have been backing out, or he could have been pulling in. But the door was down, the loading dock door was down when I passed by. So obviously I think he was just unloading, so he was pulling out again. No, he probably was backing out, I don't know. They could have just had it open because whatever reason, that door is always open anyway. But still, how the heck? I was gonna knock the whole bumper off. As you can see, the bumper is right there. I think they ran into this guy, man. They ran into this trucker, man. He didn't hit them. They ran into him. And again, if common sense tell you, if you see the truck backing in, to stop. So what they do is they swing wide, and just on the other side of this oak freight truck, it's another loading dock on the other side of the wall. And to back in clearly and have a good shot, they pull in to the other load dock and back down, but still you still can see them. Got this big, long vehicle. You see how you backing in? This is how they back in most of these docks. They blow their horn most of them. But you still can see the vehicles backing in. So how can you run into a vehicle? How do you not stop? That's careless driving on a car park, driving this car. It's careless drivers on their end. Either way it goes, this guy, they hit him by the damage is by the front fender where the fuel tank is at. So he had to been coming out of the loading dock, because they hit that car stop right there. He had to be coming out of the loading dock. So how can you run into a truck? You gotta see it. How can you run into it? It's like they stopped. It's like they was coming up on when he was coming out, and he ripped the front fender off. It really ain't no it's like they didn't run into it as like a hard impact. It's not like they ran into it as a hard impact. It's like he was coming out of the loading dock, like they was right there. They stopped and still got their stuff ripped off. But still, they come through these loading docks pretty fast. And we just having speed humps, like right here, which would begin with this, the yellow building by that blue dumpster. But we just had asphalt work done on this property, so they never put the speed humps back in. But even then, that wouldn't stop them. They still go to speed humps pretty fast. But I'm gonna end recording here. Everybody look at it. I'm recording. They recording. Hopefully you got a dash cam to show what really happened, because I think that, like I said, I've never seen that car on this property before, so they wouldn't have a reason to come through here. But then again, who knows? But like they probably come through here fast. He pulled out, and they was up on him, and he ripped the bump off. Headlight. Ain't nobody seriously injured. It look like they cordial about it. Y'all excuse me what you call it, and it's a little windy out here, so